In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Havit headphones to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you general instructions on how to properly set up and connect any Havit model headphones that you have to your PC. There are two main ways to do this, either through a wired connection or a wireless one. To start, I'm going to talk about a wired connection. If you have one of the most popular models from Havit, like the 2002D or any other wired connection headphones, you will be able to connect them by plugging them into the necessary port on your PC. So usually this is either going to be a USB plug or a 3.5 millimeter audio jack cable. So all that you have to do is plug it into the corresponding port on your PC. There will be a cable already attached to the Havit headphones, and then you just plug it into the suitable port on your PC. Now, if you go over to the control panel, you will be able to find the sound options where you can finish setting up the Havit headphones. So you click on sound and you will be able to see the playback and recording devices, set up the microphone through recording and the actual headphones through playback. You just have to make sure that it is enabled and set as the default device. With this out of the way, you also have the wireless connection method. Usually this is going to be through Bluetooth. So all that you have to do is make sure that your PC, laptop, or mobile device has Bluetooth capabilities, make sure that they are enabled, and now when you power on the Bluetooth Havit headphones that you have, they will automatically enter pairing mode. If they don't enter pairing mode, refer to the manual and see if you have to press a specific combination of buttons or try pressing the power button for a few seconds once more. After this is done, you should be able to find the actual Havit headphones under the list of available Bluetooth devices. So just choose it from the list, it is going to remain connected, and once again you can go over to the control panel and repeat the same steps if needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Havit headphones to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.